In this video, I'm going to show you how to give controls on Google Meet. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Meet on your device and sign into your preferred Gmail account. Now go ahead and hop into a Google Meet video call. And here, go ahead and click on the join button at that bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you have joined the call, since you're the host of this call, what you can do is to alter the settings to be able to give controls to the audiences that you have on Google Meet. And to do that, what you can do is to click on these three dots beside the hand icon. Here, go ahead and click on the host controls, and this will redirect you here. Make sure to enable host management. So this will let you allow participants to share their screens and chat messages and send reactions on the Google Meet video chat. You can disable any of these features depending on your need and depending on what's appropriate for the Google Meet video chat that you're having. After that, just go ahead and click on the X button at the top left corner of your screen to minimize this host control section and head back to the Google Meet video chat. And that's how you can simply give controls in Google Meet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.